If you have ever needed to add a good seasoning to your spice rack, then this is a perfect recipe for you. And these are the ingredients I used. Here I have some cloves, grains of paradise, turmeric powder, rosemary, fennel seeds, salt, star anise, nutmeg, grains of celery, honey seeds, dried chili, African calabash nutmeg, bay leaves, and here I have aromat seasoning, which we have here some onions, garlic, ginger, and black pepper. So try and get yourself some aromat seasoning and it will take your spice to the next level, okay? So in a pan, I am going to add all the ingredients in it and we are going to toast this for at least 5 minutes or more until you are just okay with the consistency. If you are still here with me and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, okay? Because it is free, oh, and like this video for me, share this video so it can reach wider audiences. And don't forget to like this video and turn on your notification bells to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. So at this point, the aroma in my kitchen was on the next level, guys. So here it was okay, and I am going to put it off the fire and allow it to cool down before I continue. So here my madam was helping me do everything. So I transferred it into a blender and then added my aromat seasoning and I will cover it gently and blend till it is smooth and fine. So once I'm done with the blending, I will transfer it into a plate or onto a plate and allow it to cool down once again. And then I will transfer it into an airtight container. Make sure you put it in an airtight container. And with these spices, you can actually use them for your proteins, for your stews, for your jollofs, and many more. Just try your hands on this homemade seasoning and you will just love it. And oh, for my Zongo people, you can actually use this for your kuka and busheshen kubewa and you will just love it. Thank you so much for watching this video to this end. Bye.